with me. A reading strategy. Sometimes if you're lucky, a word is a piece of cake. You can sound it out if you know the sounds the letters make. Try with me. A reading strategy. If you're stuck on a word, try not to shout. Check out the picture, it might help you out. Try with me. A reading strategy. Try with me. A reading strategy. Sometimes you can skip it. Go on, read the rest. The other words might help you. Now you can read your best. Come on and try with me. A reading strategy. Sometimes you will notice a rhyming word you found. You might already know a word that starts with a different sound. Try with me. A reading strategy. Try with me. A reading strategy. If the word looks long, try to look inside. Hidden inside the big word, a small word you might find. Try with me. A reading strategy. E-D-I-N-G, suffixes confuse. Cover them up and read the base word. You know what to do. Try with me. A reading strategy. Try with me. A reading strategy. If you can't go on, you're waiting in suspense. You gotta think of a word that fits and would make sense. Does it make sense? Try with me. A reading strategy. Try with me. A reading strategy.